Akando, ọmọ tó kanlẹ̀ dó. This is a child who has deliberately decided to come and to stay. The word kan means to do something deliberately, to do something intentionally, to do something with purpose, purposefully. Kéèyàn kanlẹ̀ ṣe nǹkan. And do means to be firmly rooted, to be firmly established, to stand. Do is a word that means to dwell in a place. And that is why the Yoruba word for a settlement is Ibudo, Ibi, Ido. And Akando is therefore the child who has deliberately decided to come and to stay. The child who has come to this life with the purpose of being established, being firmly rooted, with the purpose of staying. The child who has come to life with the purpose of living. This is a child that can also be called an Oshomo. Check the entry Oshomo for more understanding. Akando, ọmọ tó kanlẹ̀ wá láti dúró. The child who was deliberately born with the purpose of staying, of being established, of being firmly rooted, of succeeding, of not dying untimely. Wàá Ṣere.